student and welcome to my class. Today I am going to teach you about the shortcuts of hybridization, that how to calculate the hybridization shortcutly. For that, first what we have to do is to make a table. At 2 it is sp, at 3 it is sp3, at 4 it is sp3, sp2, sp3, at 5 it is sp3d, at 6 it is sp3d2, at 7 it is sp3d3. Now let us take a compound or a molecule, that is NH3. First we have to check is that the atomic number of the nitrogen is 7 and the valence electrons present at the last valence shell of the nitrogen is 5, and same in the hydrogen is 3, and 5 plus 3 is 8. This is 8. If the value is 8, it is less than 8 or equals to 8, then it is divided by 2. If it is greater than 8, it is divided by 8. So it is equals to 8, so divided by 4, and it is equals to 4. And 4, now we have to check the table. At table 4 is sp3 hybridized, it means NH3 compound is sp3 hybridized. Let us take another compound, that is XeF2. As you know that the valence shell electron which is present at the last valence shell of the Xe is 8, plus at fluorine it is 7. 7 into 2 is equals to this, and it is equals to 8 plus 14, and it is equals to 22, and it is greater than 8, so we have to divide it by 8. And as you guys are able to see that it is not perfectly divided by 22, so what we have to do after this is write this like this, and 8 2s are 16, 6 is the remainder, and now we have to divide this 6 again by the 2 because this is less than 8, so 2 3 is 6. And now you have to see that this 2 is bond pair and this 3 is lone pair, and if we sum these two it is equals to 5. And now we check the table, it is 5 means it is sp3 dehybridized. And now again, if we again take a new molecule, that is bf3, as you see that the boron having boron atomic number of the boron is 5 and having the 3 valence shell electrons plus 7 in chlorine as we done above, into 3 is equals to 3 plus 21 is equals to 24. It is greater than 8 as you see, and it is perfectly divided by 8. 8 3 is a 24, and 3, as if we check the table again, it is sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized. And now the what conclusion we have drawn from it is that if the value of the last valence shell electrons is less than or equals to 8, it should be divided by 2, and if it is greater than 8, it should be divided by 8. And in this way it is very easy to calculate the method of hybridization. But for that, first you have to make a table, as you able to see here. I had making a table. So thank you guys for the class, and I hope you will like my method which I have teach.